What's going on, guys? It's Nick6268 back at it like a crack addict. And today, in this video, we are going to be reviewing this mini drone, as you can see right here. And make sure to stick around till the end because we are doing a giveaway, and you might want to be included in that. So stick around till the end so you know what to do. All right, let's get into the video. So I'd like to point out, even if you don't win the giveaway for this drone right here, you can still get it. It's only about $8, and I bought mine from Walmart.com. It's really fun to use, and let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so some things to point out. You get the drone, you get an extra pair of propellers, you get the remote, you get a charger with a screwdriver, and the instruction book right here. You also get these for troubleshooting, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so when charging the drone, first thing you do is you take the plug and you connect it right into the drone. Next, you need an adapter. Plug your adapter into your wall outlet, then plug your cord in, and your drone is charging. Next step is to wait until that lights up red. You're going to need some AAA batteries. Put the batteries in your remote. Well, it looks like it's charged. Okay, so step one, we're going to turn on the drone like that. Next step is we're going to turn on the remote. You should hear that beep. We're going to set this guy on the ground, all right? You can see. Now we need to bind it. So we take our remote right here. You gotta push this up, down like that. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it may look like in my little video it's hard to fly. It's actually not. It was the first time I flew it, so I struggled a little bit, but after a while you'll get the hang of it. A really nice thing is that they included all these extra propellers. Now, this is a lot of extra propellers. There is 4 grays and there's 4 blacks. So you can replace all 4 propellers twice. So that's a pretty cool thing with this guy that I really like. Okay, it's time to talk about the giveaway. First thing you need to do is be subscribed to my channel. Second thing you need to do is give this video a like. And third thing you need to do is comment below and tell me that you want to win the giveaway for this little mini drone. And if you win, I will send it to you. I also recommend that you share this video because as soon as I hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving this drone away. And I will make a separate video thanking you guys for giving me 50 subs. And in that video, I will be explaining how I'm giving this guy away and who I'm giving it to. Okay, so that's all for today's video on this little mini RC drone. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below telling me that you want to win this drone. And as soon as I get to 50 subscribers, I will be making a video on who won the giveaway. So, thank you for watching, and that's all I have for you today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.